Sponsors choose us to do human abuse liability studies primarily for our depth of experience. We started doing substance abuse studies early on when these were first being required by the FDA. Sponsors can count on us to get good ratings. Qualification is able to go fairly quickly, and then when they get into the treatment phase, the final data is good. We have a large database of volunteers who have proven to be good raters in our human abuse liability studies and reliable, providing good data for our sponsors. We have a facility in which we can conduct those trials in a very efficient way. The volunteers who come in and participate compare us to other CROs and find that our facility is much more comfortable. Investigators are very much involved in the day-to-day operations of all the studies. We round on the subjects every day, even the weekends, to be sure that everything's going well by the protocol and ensuring subject safety. At Alta Sciences, the principal investigators are physicians who are highly involved in every aspect of the study. We ensure that the study is being conducted safely and according to the protocol. Our team of safety officers includes highly trained paramedics who are here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as well as sub-investigators who may be other physicians or highly trained nurse practitioners.